All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's supposed to be the hurricane day, and it was supposed to be crazy weather and like insanity, but all we got is a little wind and a little high water, and I'm going back out to Biloxi to fish with Coty. He's invited me to do a little evening trip, possibly some lights, you know, some speckled trout, maybe redfish on the lights at night, which would be awesome. We're gonna see what happens, and I'm just thankful that he invited me to go out. Sorry, I was having a moment here. I'm trying to figure out where I'm at. This could be the wrong way, but we're gonna find out. But yeah, I just appreciate him inviting me, and we might get some bass and reds, man. It could be good with all this high water. Could have pushed a lot of fish in, but you know, that's what I call it, fishing, not catching, I guess. So we're gonna feel it out, guys, and we'll see you on the water. Thank you for watching. Second bite for him. That's a keeper. You want to throw him in the...
Yeah, if you would, brother. I like it.
Get him for you.
Thank you, brother.
Yep. First one was a red, second one was a bass. That's probably where they're at. Shallow as you can get. Oh, them things are tough. There's one, it's a little bass. He ate it. He ate that thing. I watched him suck it in. He's little, huh?
Shoot, I keep.
You want to keep him? All right, because you got that pond anyway. Even if. Yeah. Oh yeah, I love bass. You like that flounder though, huh?
Oh my goodness.
I knew you would. It's got a different texture.
It did. I mean, the meat was like. I mean, you said it'd be white meat, but it was so soft.
Yeah, it was soft. I didn't mention that, but it's. I love the way it. Did you peel that backbone off?
Oh yeah.
And it just exposes the next layer.
So soft, like you just, it was like eating a pillow, but
They're good.
good taste. I mean,
If you get a 4 or 5 pounder to bake, it's like freaking, oh, so much meat.
that one had to be at least a couple pounds.
He was about 2 pounds. He got me in some grass, so. I got him. I got him. I got him. A lot of grass. Whew. Got this braid though. Cut right through it.
I'll take my dollar.
No, I knew there'd be some. This is a good redfish.
Dude, that's a hole.
Hold on. Sorry.
Good, he's coming back to you.
I was trying to get the net for you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I got him. I got him. Here.
There you go, man.
Ooh.
That's a pretty fish. That's a brute.
Look how gold. Holy crap.
Yeah.
I gotta get a look at him.
That's a brute.
Look at the gold on this thing, dude.
What a pretty fish.
What the heck? Yeah, that's a. I can't even get him in the camera. Hold on now. That is a freaking pretty one. He was up in it, like up here. Let's see. I want to get a good view of this. Oh yeah, that thing is pretty.
Dude, he is beautiful. What a stud.
I don't know if you heard me. I was like, he's coming, and then he stopped,
Yep.
and then he rushed it again.
That is a brute.
Oh man, golden nugget.
I like it.
Thank you.
Oh, yes, sir. I like it.
We're gonna get some now. Mm-hmm. Your line broke.
Dude, I hooked it.
Yeah, I know. Your line just snapped.
I wonder if it's still over there.
Nah,
Swirl.
he's probably got a hook in his mouth. No, I seen it too. He's probably swam away. It happens. You might got a bad spot in one of your eyes cutting your pole, cutting your line. That's what was happening to me. Every single hook set, my line would break.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I saw it. No, man, there might be a bad spot on your rod. Hold on.
See if it's a good hook set.
I don't think he's on it, huh? What's up? Wow. Your line's breaking way up there. You got something going on.
It's crazy. Like I saw him swirl up.
I saw the whole thing happen, yeah.
I didn't know if you saw. I mean, I knew. When he didn't come up, I kind of got happy.
Yeah. They're gold, man.
Yeah, they are.
Oh, baby. Golden nugget. I swear. Right on the point. It was just, we were about to pass it. I was like, let me throw real quick.
That's where I broke off earlier.
Yeah, yeah, that is.
I mean,
Let me measure him.
I think it's right under me. You know where it's at. Pretty big.
Hopefully he's a keeper. We'll see. Wait, is it in here? Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there it is. $18 and a half.
Red just hit right there.
Really?
Yes. I mean, right.
Come on, Ray. Yeah, right at 18 and a half, just about. Number 2.
Alright, I got it. Look.
That should be a bite. There's something wrong with your stuff, man. Holy crap, your line is like...
You see my pole?
Yes.
It said,
Crushed it.
like you said, it was a red. Just
Oh,
gone.
what is going on? Like, you've had so many fish hit you.
I mean, I didn't know if you see it. And I was like, I'm not about to say nothing. 'Cause I don't want him to be like, this dude's lying.
No, you
My
ain't...
pole went down. He said,
Yeah, there's no mistake in a spinnerbait bite.
Heck yeah.
What in the heck, man? You are getting screwed over. Jigging. Is that a big trout?
It look orange.
Dude, what is that? I think it's a trout. It's a nice trout. Is that a trout? Am I crazy? I don't know what it is. It's a red. I was about to say, it didn't look like a... He's too little, huh?
He's close.
Oh, he's little. Oh, I thought it was a trout. My bad.
You smell him? He stinks. Yeah, I think he's too small.
Straighten it. Oh, yeah.
No.
He's too little. Ooh.
Oh,
Right there.
right there. I say let's keep him. He's 18.
Okay. He's right at
Water,
18.
you know?
He's touching 18. He's not gonna... I gotta throw back out there. Dude, that was... I thought it was a trout. I was kind of...
When he came up quick, it was like
He came up shaking his head.
yeah.
Freaked me out. I gotta remember where I was just now. My first fish on the rod too that we caught at the bottom of Heron Bay. It held up. Shout out to Brian. Come on. Thought there'd be some more. Oh, they're up there. They're like close. This is gonna be a futile cast. I just couldn't help it. Let me up here. Alright, y'all might not be able to see, but we got fish going crazy on this pier. The wind is just destroying us. It's gonna be very hard to get a good cast. Oh my God, where'd you cast? There he is. Oh, it's red. It's reds. It's reds. It's reds. Throw up there and just slowly reel. Just don't drift on them. Oh, that's reds, baby. got him. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Can y'all even see him? I don't know, but he just spit out a whole pokey. Oh, they're going off. It is reds. Before we got up here, they were going ballistic. I'm talking, it looked like waves crashing on the rocks. I was like, is there rocks up there? No. Oh, you got my line. Oh, I got a fish though.
I was wondering, I felt some.
I got a fish though.
Might be a little.
No, it's a red. I just don't know how big he is. Oh, that's a keeper, huh? I just flipped him in like it was nothing.
And that's that rod, huh?
Yeah, I'm flipping him in with a rod we caught underwater. Oh man, where's this bait at? That's a red. Oh, they're going. You better. Oh my God, you're not getting bite. I don't get it or bit. It's a live well. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Can I have another one? Hooked up, hooked up. I don't know how big he is. He doesn't feel that big, but he's staying down. I ain't no keeper. Get in here. They're swallowing it when they hit it. Oh man, this is fun. Usually for me it's always trout, but I never really see the reds on the lights too much. I'm gonna throw over you. And then I'm gonna put it right where he was on the bottom, really close to that pier. I don't know how deep it is really. I think it's like 2 or 3 feet. Yeah. It amazes me you could reel that bait through there and not get a hit. They're not out. They're like, they seem to be right on the dock.
Like, we're kind of close, so like, typically when they're here, it's just, you see them busting, like, okay, they're here.
The trout really ain't around.
That's what I don't know.
There he is. Oh yeah, that's a red. Get him out them poles. He came at me. I don't know if he's good now that I think about it. Just kept jigging. You finally get something nice. Come over here. Oh, get in here, big girl. That looks like a keeper almost. I'm gonna check her. Oh, that rod just broke. Yep. Yep, they dry rotted, I guess. Yep. Well, the rod I caught in Heron Bay, wow, Brian actually caught it, broke.
It's not good it broke, but
Got a couple bites on it. Yep. You gotta find your measurer. Oh, here it is. I got it.
looks pretty good.
He is, oh yeah. He's 18 and a half, almost 19. Something. St. Croix are no joke. I've heard nothing but good. I had one a long time ago. Got one. Not sure what it is. It's definitely a red. I just don't know if he's big. Must be a catfish. Yep, rat. Oh man, yeah. Little one. There's another one. That's a trout or a white trout or something. Something little. Yep. What is that? You want this?
What is that?
White?
Heck yeah.
All right.
White trout.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I'll get them. Thank you. This underwater light. Oh, I'm right on him. I'm right on him. Oh, what happened? They all just like darted away. Oh, there he is. I can't tell where my bait's gonna go. Where am I? Oh, look at that. I gotta get up in it. Oh. Trying to be quiet, not move. I should be close enough. You got a fish? I'm trying to get away from you. What is that? There's one. Doubled up. Y'all can't see this probably, but we're on some fish on this underwater light. We're trying to be quiet. That's a trout. No, that's a red. Back to back. Alright, he's too little too. Mine is definitely too small.
Mine, I think, smaller than yours.
Yeah. Yeah, oh yeah.
They're pretty though.
They're swimming around. I don't know. They were. That was awesome.
Nice one too.
I think. I don't.
Yeah, he's probably 19. Nice fish.
Oh man. Oh boy. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. Alright. Good job. Well, I don't think the other ones are reds though.
Oh no, they're gone.
They're gar?
They're for sure gone. I'll give you some more. There's like 20 gone.
I've never seen gars under a light.
You see that big one right there? By the pier?
Yeah.
Oh, it's huge. Yeah, see if he bites it. Look, take the hook, take the hook.
You don't have the hook.
Oh,
He just had it in between.
crazy. I can't believe it. They usually won't hit us that close. Look at that big one. I've never seen it hit us that close.
Yeah, I saw a tiny one. Crazy ass. Crazy ass